shit. About to get into some more better shit. MACKSAUCE Volume 2 Car Crash Compilation 2021. Shout out to my man Boston. I've been seeing him watch some Mopar videos. Some of them just getting off on niggas, cops, and then some of them fucking up at car meets, Mac and shit. I want to see some niggas Mac shit because some of these niggas are stupid. Fucking straight grade A stupid. So, MACKSAUCE Volume 2, Speed Demon TV. Go check that out. You want to see that shit? Video will be in the link in the description. But let's react to the shit. Light your doobies, light your blunts, light whatever you got. We about to enjoy this shit. Okay, yo got a Chrysler. Yo got a Chrysler drifting that motherfucker. Yo, drifting that motherfucker. Okay, you going too hard. You going too hard. You went a little bit too hard. Yo, put that bitch in a ditch. Yo, literally put that bitch in a ditch. That's what you get for going too hard. MACKSAUCE Volume 2. Okay, yo is trying to cut through. Oh my god, bro. What were you thinking? Yo on a bike lucky as shit. Okay. Dumbass. Dumbass! Dumbass! Okay, let's see how long you can keep it for. How long you keeping that thing for? Or is it your friend that's stupid because he went wide as hell? I saw this shit. Boink, boink! I swear for God. Yo, how would you feel in that situation? You see the tire. You know your car is going to go under it. Now you just up in the air just contemplating life. Just like, well, I died to a tire. Yes. You can straight say it like that. I died to a tire. As soon as you get up to heaven, see your whole family like, oh, yeah, you got shot. Yeah, you died in a car accident. Yeah, there was a tire that was on the road, and I just ran over it, and it just flipped me the fuck over. Oh, you can sue, but if you allowed, you can sue that shit, though. I wonder what tire that shit was from. Like the trailer? Oh, my God. I heard it. Ooh, dumbass. Yo, what? Yo, I don't understand. What? Bruh. How the fuck you ride? Then you skirt off like nothing happened. I'm dead. Yo really wrote on this nigga shit. This not about to go good. This not about to go good. You got a Mustang, sir. Slow it down. Slow it. This nigga got pre-scared. Oh my god. This nigga got pre-scared. This nigga got pre-scared, bro. Yo was like, yo, but I wanted to be shit. Ah! Yup, you fucked up. You gotta keep it cut. You gotta cut it short. Can't do too wide. Oh god. Slow down. Slow down. Slow down. Slow the fuck down.
Shit.
You bunny hopped. Yep, you bunny hopped. Yep, you bunny hopped into a fucking turn. You bunny hop into a turn, you idiot. Slow the fuck down. He's not slowing down. Was not paying attention. I'd be afraid of that, yo. Being in my car, y'all be saying like, yo, I'll be watching people slow down like, yo, you better see me braking. Damn. Damn, that bitch in half. Whoa!
That's the other half.
Oh shit!
Damn.
Fuck was you doing, boy? You was going for a draw right and got Joey fucked up.
Bro.
Yo, got Joey so fucked up. Yo, the bottom not there no more. The bottom is gone. Damn. It needs a new chassis and all.
Oh my god, he's gonna hit this car.
Okay,
Yo.
okay. In this situation, I have heard that is not the driver's fault. I have heard because like my dad was a truck driver. Dad has a whole bunch of truck driver friends. He said it happened to him before. It is not your fault if somebody parks on a skinny ass road and knows that trailers and trucks have to go through there. If it's that's their fault because they know that they have to try to back up and get in there. So hey, you gotta do the damages. You can't. I don't believe you can sue that company. I don't know. Don't quote me on it. I don't know. But yeah, that traverse fucked up. Damn. No, that person idiot for being right there. And see, he's still backing up.
Oh my god!
Yo!
Oh no!
That poor person's car.
Yep, he gonna come out and be like, my fucking whip.
Mac, it's on you.
Okay, Hyundai Genesis. And you with 2 Mopars. Oh no, you know, you want a BMW. You, Mopar, don't, please. Genesis! I like the way they look too. They ride low. Okay. Mopar. You dumbass. Yep. And now you stuck. Yep. You done. Yep. And cop is right there. Yep. You can't get away. Yep. You might as well. Yep. Cop gonna look at you like, yep, you're a dumbass. Did he just get back? I'm about to say, if you just got back in the car and was like, yeah, I don't have to do shit with you, bro. Your money's gonna do what you need.
God damn, man. God damn.
Yep, you mad because your wheel gone.
Play so fucking hard.
Why are you in a basketball court? How the fuck? Stop. You lost traction, boy. Well, at least your car not that fucked up. I mean, did you flip? You didn't flip, you just slid. So, I mean, you busted that side damage. You can get out.
We on the Ave gang shit. We got the
Why?
oh.
How? Why and how? I don't like this. Damn! Ooh. Why was he flying? What's about to happen? Dumbass. 3-car accident. Yep.
This happened on the Bell Parkway today. Street racers.
Oh, you dumbass. Both of y'all dumbasses. Y'all both can't do shit. Y'all. Bruh, it's one thing if your mans can't fucking have the wheel. It's another thing if both y'all can't have the wheel. Y'all both fucked up.
Hold on. 2 cars with the drag racing cars.
You lost. Stupid asshole.
Damn. Stupid asshole got your car fucked up. That ain't sound good.
All that hate. It's unfortunate that it happened, but
Yep.
oh, and now you got the cops here.
Ugh.
Oh man. Yeah, he spit on the guy.
Ugh.
I was the one paying attention.
I wasn't the one paying attention. Ooh. Ooh, boy, you slid too hard. Stop. Ah. And you about to keep going. He gone. And this is why you don't. This is why I be afraid. Like, if I ever go into a car meet, bro, I'm not doing donuts with that shit. I will do it by myself or with one other person I trust. It can't be 3. And he gone. Yo, so I'm after his dumb ass. That shit pulled off slow as fuck. Okay. Stop. You two. What the fuck is up with y'all niggas, bro? You can't control the fucking... These niggas here popped out the trunk off the side and said, we gone. Oh. Oh. They trying to flip that bitch over? Hey, they about to. Oh. There we go. How the fuck did that shit occur, bruh? Look at all that oil. That engine done. That beautiful engine. God damn, that's it? Oh, I fuck with that. Hey, you know we coming, we drilling, you know we busting in something, you know we coming on your block thumbing. Hey, you know we got steppers, you know we got shooters, you know we got gang. Damn. Say no.